Good morning. Today is Monday, October the 9th, 2017. It's almost 9 o'clock in the morning, and Nate left during the night. It was raining still pretty much when we went to bed, but this morning it's just a little drizzle here and there. Water dripping off the trees. And it's warm, it's nice. It's 66 degrees. See, a lot of the pretty leaves are colored now. Storm seems to be all over. Yeah, ready to leave the senior center. I got my video uploaded, and it was busy in there this morning. There was a men's Bible study going on, and there was people coming in for Social Security, talk to a representative. Just busy. Oh, there's the play area, and that little ditch has got a lot more water in it today. We came over here to the river walk. You can see how high the water got yesterday. Came all the way up here. See, it's all pushed down by the water. That all washed up. Well, the creek's still flowing pretty fast. Is this a creek or a river? This is a river, isn't it? Is this the Tow River? This is the Tow River. It still looks like a... I think it's the Tow. Anyway, it looks like a creek. And the sidewalk ahead of us, or the path ahead of us, is where we can't walk. Water. There's a red maple tree. We drove the truck up here to the other end of the walking trail because they have signs, and it is the North Tow River. There's ducks there on the river. And Larry doing duck calls. We found the ducks. Oh, those are pretty. What kind are these?
Mallards.
Mallards with the green heads. Those are so pretty.
Those are the roosters. You can tell the difference in the hens. See how they're just brown.
Oh, the hens are brown and the...
See that brown hen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are roosters.
They're pretty, both of them. There's a lot over across too.
Most of the hens is over there.
Across. You can see where the water was out of the banks there, up next to the stone. Yeah, we drove up here to the other end of the walking trail to see the sign that said North Tow River. There's rain clouds up there. We're going to go back. There's rain clouds up there, and there's supposed to be more rain today. Those trees look pretty. You see the trunks of them.
Come back here and catch the mountain.
There's a mountain up there. You see some of the trees have turned already. Here's the new waterfall. That's a lot more water than it ever has. It's usually just a little stream coming down. That's pretty. hiked up here to the upper falls. That's the trail up to the falls. That's the rock I hiked up. We came back here to the ram track, and I scored. I got my butter dish for 50 cents. I want glass. This one's plastic, but this will do till I can find a glass one. Stopped here at Ingles. We were low on paper plates and paper bowls, so that's what I got. This is the Linville River. I thought it was going to be rainy all day, but we've got sunshine. It's nice. And it's time to do haircuts.
Yay!
Gonna give Larry a trim.
Yep. Close one, probably.
Yeah. He doesn't need a whole lot, but he's just down on his ears. His scalp is moving. Larry's getting ready to cut my hair. His is done. So I hope he did a good job so he doesn't try to get revenge.
I think I better look in the mirror first.
Yeah, he doesn't look. He just says, oh, it was fine. He doesn't have quite as much hair as he did.
I didn't before we started cutting either.
It was a lot thinner. Well, coming over to Betty's, we're going to work on her fence. There's Murphy. Oh, here he comes. Hello, Murphy. Hi. Hello. Yeah. There's a tree we trimmed down, Larry did, because we're fixing Betty's fence. We put that top rail in there and set the post back up. And we put the bottom rail in right there. And now we put that post back up, the post, and now we're going to put the top piece in it.
Maybe. Might have to cut it some more.
Let's see.
A lot more.
Might be able to move the post. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, it ain't coming out. Yeah.
Well, there's the whole fence now.
Might be able to fill that hole in with it.
Are you happy?
That's what I was wondering.
Are you happy?
I am very happy.
Okay, just
I never really thought that it would happen. I mean, this time last year.
when we cut the trees down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we cut trees last year. We'll just put them back here and make the fence with them sometime.
I know.
Well, if we do something every year, eventually it all gets done.
But it looks so good. They're asleep. Murphy's asleep. They've had
Well, no, somebody barked and he's up.
Murphy's have had a busy afternoon.
I couldn't hardly believe this. It's 76 degrees at 4:31 here in Land Harbor. I didn't think it'd be that warm again. We're on our way home from Betty's. Larry's got a BLT for supper with water. And he also has the last of the chili. I'm having a BLT and apple salad that Betty gave me. And this is the apple nut celery salad that Betty gave to me because I like it so much. And I guess Larry can have a little too if he wants. Our street is a loop and I just walked it and it just took 12 minutes. So I had a 12-minute walk. It's been a great day. The weather's been wonderful. Just enjoyed it. Good night. God bless.